Dear God, in this moment of gathering, we stand before you with hearts open wide, ready to embark on a journey of enlightenment and growth. As we convene in this space dedicated to learning and development, we are filled with gratitude for the opportunity to expand our understanding and skills. Bless this seminar with your divine presence, infusing each session with clarity, insight, and inspiration. Guide the speakers and facilitators as they share their expertise, illuminating our path with wisdom and understanding. Help us to approach each workshop with openness and receptivity, eager to absorb knowledge and cultivate new perspectives. May every exercise and activity serve to deepen our understanding and strengthen our abilities. In your boundless wisdom, you have bestowed upon us the gift of learning. With hearts full of gratitude and minds eager to learn, we offer up this prayer, trusting in your divine guidance. Amen.